Are we recording? Yeah, we are. This is the electrical section. Everybody. And we're on the west side of the structure, and we've got a nice new meter here. It should be sealed on this side and the tops, 3 sides. Same thing for the load center. The load center is all of this put together. This is the electric service panel. It's inside the load center cabinet. Okay, what we've got here is, well, I love this. Those are printed like they're supposed to be. Breakers are identified and printed. What we do not have is there's supposed to be some duplicity. The manufacturer thinks that there should be some duplicity there. What else have we got going on in here? It's a 200 amp system. I don't see a green tag. I don't see where they got a permit pulled. I don't see that. What else do I not see? I do not see where the bonding location is. Is that all I'm not seeing? Is that all I'm seeing? Is that all I can find wrong with this panel? Are you sick, bud? The grounding rod's not properly buried. And you should have 2 grounding rods by today's code. So let's see what we have here. Meter and the box are not sealed to help prevent moisture infiltration into the walls. The breaker labeling is not duplicated. And you'll notice there's not a label right there because this breaker is not being used. You can't label something that's not being used. So they should be sealed, no duplicity, bonding location, and a single ground on a grounding rod that wasn't properly buried. And that's it. Huh. I feel defeated. It's a pretty nice box.